Mobile ad hoc network technologies. So before we started with the cloud computing concept, first of all we had discussed about the distributed system. Distributed system is a collection of autonomous computers connected through a network and a distributed middleware. So which enables computer to coordinate their activities to share the resources of the system. So basic definition of the distributed system is a collection of autonomous computer connected by some sort of network. So this distributed system then were divided into three categories: cluster computing, grid computing, and cloud computing. In cluster distributed computing, devices are connected through local area network, whereas in grid computing, the geographically distributed resources were connected through a wide area network. The cloud computing has evolved from cluster and grid computing and its integration of various concepts of the technologies such as hardware virtualization, utility computer, or autonomic computing, pervasive computing, and service oriented architecture. So we have discussed about cloud computing in detail in our previous lecture, that everything from computing part to communication infrastructure and application are delivered as a service over the network. Basically this is a on demand services, pay as you go model. You have to pay as per your usage. Cloud computing system have been used to solve large and complex problems. So these systems include powerful computing resources connected through high speed network. So internet is the basic requirement of cloud computing, because cloud computing is a internet based technology. So due to recent advances in mobile computing and network technologies, so it has been become feasible to integrate various mobile devices into the field of computing, cloud computing system. So the approaches for the integrating mobile devices with the cloud computing system are divided into two main categories. The first one is the mobile cloud computing, and second one is the mobile ad hoc cloud computing. In mobile cloud computing, mobile devices are integrated with cloud computing system through an infrastructure based communication network such as cellular network. So the integration of mobile devices with cloud computing system enable our mobile devices to access vast amount of processing power and storage space. So this makes possible to execute data and computationally intensive application such as image processing, video processing on mobile devices. So we can do all those things that we were traditionally doing on our desktop computer, on laptop. Now we can do access everything on our mobile devices. So data storage on our laptop, on our mobile phones, data storage and execution of such application on cloud also improve reliability and extend the battery life of mobile devices. So this is the basically system architecture of mobile cloud computing system. So mobile nodes such as a robot, smartphones, these all are connected to an internet cloud via pre-existing network infrastructure based system, which can be Wi-Fi access point, base station, or satellite. Anything can be there which provide internet kind of facility to your mobile device. So the mobile cloud computing system are restricted to infrastructure based communication system and therefore cannot be used in mobile and ad hoc environment. So in mobile ad hoc cloud computing, multiple mobile devices are interconnected through mobile ad hoc network, are combined to create virtual supercomputing node. So before discussing in detail about mobile ad hoc network integration in the cloud computing, so we'll briefly discuss what is mobile ad hoc network. Mobile ad hoc network is a wireless ad hoc network or ad hoc wireless network that usually has a routable networking environment. So they consist of set of mobile nodes, these are the mobile nodes. This is your laptop, mobile phones, and everything that can be a robot or anything. Mobile nodes connected wirelessly in a self-configured, self-healing network without having a fixed infrastructure. So mobile ad hoc network nodes are free to move randomly as the network topology changes frequently, each node behave as a router as they forward traffic to other specified node in the network. So this is a architecture of system architecture of mobile ad hoc cloud computing system. So it operate as a standalone fashion, or they can be a part of larger internet. They form highly dynamic autonomous topology with the presence of one or multiple different nodes. So this is a layered architecture of mobile ad hoc computing system. Mobile nodes communicate with each other through a mobile ad hoc network, which provides several communication and networking services such as network discovery, monitoring, and routing. So the cloud middleware at the base level, this is a mobile network, ad hoc network, and at the top level there's a cloud middleware, cloud layer. It is responsible for the resource management, failure management, mobility management, communication management, task migration, fault management. All management kind of activities are performed by this layer. In addition, it hides all the complexities and provides a single system image to the user and application running on the system. So this layer acts like an abstraction layer. It hides all the complexities of the system. So they form a highly dynamic autonomous topology with the presence of one or multiple different nodes, as we have discussed earlier. So mobile ad hoc network consists of a peer-to-peer, self-forming, self-healing network. So in these days, mobile ad hoc network is used in every area of the computing, ranging from sensors, from environment, disaster operations, navy, defense, robots, etc. In these all areas, mobile ad hoc network has found its application. So cloud computing as the enticing technology these days. So these advanced mobile network technology, ad hoc network technology, so these all are integrated to the cloud computing environment. So thank you.